What is mean by mean, mode, median? What is mean? Mean is nothing but the sum of observation divided by total number of observation. Okay, and then mode. What is mean by mode? The most frequently. That means the mode of a set of observation is the observation that occurs most often. Okay, va? That means mode of the given data, it occurs more frequently than other observation. That is called the mode. And then median. What is mean by median? So the median is nothing but middle value of the observation. That is called the median. Okay, now we have to see some exercise problem. See the first problem. Find the mode of the given observations. Okay, see, the number is 3, 4, 7, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 4, 5, 2. Okay, see now you have to find the mode of in this one. The observation, see, 3 how many times will appear? Only one time. And then 4, 1, 2, 3 times. Okay. 7, 1 times. 5, 2 times. 6, 1 times. 8, 9, all are 1 times. 2, 1 times. So, the observation 4 occurs the maximum number of times. That means 3 times. So, 4 is the mode of the distribution. Everybody clear? So, you can write the solution is the observation occurs the maximum number of times. How many times? 3 times. Okay. So, 4 is the mode of the distribution. Clear? See the next problem. The next one is the shoe size of 25 students in a group is given below. Find the mode of the information. Information. Okay, this is information. Okay, then write the number. See here, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 5, 4, 6, 3, 4, 4, 6, 4, 3. Okay, so this is very large data. Okay, now you have to find the mode. So now you have to draw the table. Okay, now Let us tabulate the data first. Tabulate the data first. See here, first shoe size, then tally marks, then frequency or otherwise total. Okay. See, shoe size 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Right? See, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, tally mark. See, how many times 3 appear for in this data? Now you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 times. So you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the frequency is 8 times. Then you have to see the 4. How many times 4 appear from in this data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the total frequency is 10. Then you have to find it out the 5. See how many times 5 appear from in this data? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So you can put 1, 2, 3, 4. Frequency is 4. And then 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Already 3 finished. Okay, then 6. Sorry, 6. 1, 2, 3. 3 times only. So the tally mark is 3. Frequency is 3. Then what is the mode of in that one? See here, which one is large frequency? 4. Okay, so the mode is 4 for the given observation because it has occurred 10 times. So 4 is the mode of the given data. Everybody clear? So we have to write the solution is the mode is 4 for the given observations because it has occurred 10 times. Everybody clear? Okay. See here. What is the question? 25 students shoe size was given below. Now you have to find the mode of the information. See, first of all you have to tabulate the data first. Okay, now you have to write the shoe size, tally marks, frequency. See here the shoe size is 3, 4, 5, 6 only. So first of all you have to write the shoe size for in that one 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you have to find it out the tally marks from the given data. See 3 how many times appear? You have to count the 3 how many times? 8. 4 10 times, 5 4 times, 6 3 times. See in this table concept which value is highest? Shoe size 4. That means that is the 10 times 10 times will appear. So the mode of 4 for the given observation because it has occurred 10 times. So 4 is the mode of the given data. Everybody clear? See the next problem. The height of seven different types of trees in feet. Okay, are given below. find the median of the data. Okay, see here, the number is 10, 25, 30, 10, 40, 12 and then 30. See here, in this data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 data is here. So in this side 3, in this side 3, 10 is the median, means that is wrong. What is the first step? First you have to arrange the observation in ascending order. After that you have to find it out the median for the given data. Okay, see here. First of all, arranging the observation in ascending order. Arranging the observation in ascending order. Okay, so we get, you have to arrange the ascending order first. See, first 10, next 10, 12, 25, then 32 times and then 40. Okay, see, now what is the middle value for the given data? 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. So middle data is 25. Okay, so the middle value is 25. So the median is 25. Okay, so you have to write the middle value is 25. So the median is 25. Everybody clear the median concept? What is that? See, the height of 7 different types of trees are given below. Find the median of the data. See, first of all, you have to arrange the observation in ascending order. After that, you have to find it out the median. So, first you have to arrange the ascending order. Then, see which value is the middle. 25 is the middle. So, in this middle value, 25 is called the median. Everybody clear the median? Now, see the next problem. The marks obtained by seven students in an examination. Out of 100 are, see the number, 80, 87, 81, 92, 87, again 87 and then 83. Okay, see the numbers. Now you have to find the mean, median and mode of the data. Okay, see, this is very important problem. 7 students mark was given out of 100. Then you have to find the mean, mode, median. Okay, so first of all you can find it out the mean. Everybody know the mean formula. What is the mean formula? Sum of observation divided by total number of observation. Right? See here, first you have to find mean. Okay, write the formula first. What is mean formula? Sum of all observation divided by total number of observations. Okay, now you have to find it out the mean. That means, see here, sum of all observations. So first of all, you have to sum off in this all terms. Okay, you write what is the value? 80 plus 87 plus 81 plus 92 plus 87 plus 87 plus 83. Okay, now I have to check again. 80, 87, 81, 92, 87, 87, 83. Sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. Now see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divided by 7. Now you can add the numerator. What will you get? See here, 7 plus 3, 10, 17, 19, 20, 27. The remainder is 2. 8 plus 2, 10, 18, 26, 35, 43, 51, 59. So 597 divided by 7. See here, how many 7 in this 59? 8 sevens are 56, the remainder 3, 37. How many 7 is there? 5, 35, remainder 2. And then you can put point 0. How many 7 is there? 2. Okay, and then 6. You will get 8. So and so on. So we have to write 85.3. Okay, so a mean value is 85.3. Everybody clear? Okay, now you can find what is the next one? Median. How can you find the median? The median means, first of all, you have to arrange the number in ascending order. Okay, first you have to arranging the numbers in ascending order. So we get, first you have to arrange, what is that? 80, 81, 83, then 87, 87, again 87 and 92. Okay, see in this one the middle value is which value? 87. So here the middle value is 87. So the median is 87. Okay, everybody clear the median? After that you have to find the last one is mode. How can you find the mode? The mode is the most frequent value, right? Right in that line. Mode is the most frequent value, right? So in this problem, in this given data, 87 is the mode of the observation as it is repeated 3 times, right? So 87 is the mode of the observations as it is repeated 3 times. So 87 is a mode of the given problem. Everybody clear? See here, you can recall once again. See what is the question. The 7 students mark was given. Now you have to find mean, median, mode. See, first of all you have to find it out the mean. What is mean by mean? The mean is nothing but sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. The sum of all observation means you can add in this value divided by total number of observation means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divided by 7 you can write. Okay. See here. Sum of the all observations is the numerator divided by 7. Now you can simplifying in this one, you will get 597 divided by 7. See, simplifying in this one, you will get 85.28 something. So in this one you have to write 85 point. In this 2 you can write 28, means you can add 1 of in this term, you can write 85.3. So the mean value is 85.3. The next one is median. So how can you find it out the median? First you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So first you have to arrange it. Now you can see the middle value. What is the middle value? See here, 87 is the middle value. Okay, so in this 87 is also called the median. Next one is mode. What is mode? The mode is nothing but most frequent value. Right? See, in this terms, in this given data, 87 is 3 times appear. So 87 is called the mode. See here, mode is the most frequent value. So 87 is the mode of the observations as it is repeated 3 times. Okay. Everybody clear? Thank you.